Imagine waking up each morning feeling calmer, more focused, and deeply in tune with yourself. What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could literally rewire your brain, making you less anxious, more emotionally balanced, and even smarter? Sounds too good to be true, right? But science confirms it. Meditation can reshape the neural pathways in your brain in as little as 30 days. In this video, we'll explore exactly how this transformation happens and why so many people, from top CEOs to elite athletes, swear by meditation as their secret weapon for success and happiness. When we meditate, something remarkable happens inside our brains. Studies using MRI scans have shown that regular meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of our brain responsible for focus, decision-making, and emotional regulation. At the same time, it shrinks the amygdala, the area associated with stress and fear. This means that after just a few weeks of meditation, you'll start noticing a shift. You react less impulsively to stress, you recover from negative emotions faster, and you develop a heightened sense of awareness in everyday life. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system without needing any external tools. Just you, your breath, and a little bit of stillness. But how exactly does meditation achieve this? The answer lies in something called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Each time you meditate, you strengthen certain neural pathways, much like how muscles grow when you exercise. Just as lifting weights builds strength, sitting in meditation builds resilience, focus, and emotional intelligence. Within the first week, you might notice subtle changes. Your thoughts feel clearer, your patience improves, and moments of mindfulness naturally seep into your daily routine. By the second week, your ability to concentrate deepens, and you might even find that your usual stress triggers don't affect you as much. By the third and fourth weeks, the benefits become even more profound. Greater emotional balance, improved memory, and a sense of inner peace that extends beyond your meditation sessions. And here's the best part. Meditation isn't just about sitting quietly with your eyes closed. It can take many forms: mindfulness, breathwork, visualization, even walking meditation. The key is consistency. Just like a single workout won't make you fit, meditating once won't change your brain overnight. But with just 10 to 15 minutes a day for 30 days, you'll begin to notice a profound shift. Not just in your mental state, but in how you experience life itself. You become less reactive, more present, and more in control of your emotions. You start seeing challenges as opportunities rather than threats. The world feels lighter, and so do you. So, are you ready to give it a try? Imagine where you could be in just 30 days. A calmer, clearer, and more focused version of yourself. All it takes is a little commitment and an open mind. Start today, and let meditation reshape your brain and your life for the better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how meditation has changed your life. Until next time, stay mindful, stay present,